The first step in your strategic planning process is Signal. Signal is all about discovering new developments, trends, connections, and opportunities for you to create new value. It's about identifying the problem that you want to solve that ultimately will provide you with a purpose. And how do you get there? We'll find that one of the easiest entry points is to think about what worries you. What out there in the world is happening? What are some of the trends and dynamics that you see for you or your business that are really concerning to you? Right? Because the things that are concerning to you are also things that allow you to grow. And you can use these opportunities. The most empowering thing actually that you can do with these opportunities is to do something about them. Right? So think about things that are worrisome to you. And think about who's out there who you care about. Whether you're an internal or external customer, there's somebody out there with a problem that you can solve. There's somebody out there that needs what you have to offer. It's kind of on the horizon still. It's not quite something that exists yet maybe, or that's in reality yet, but might come around the corner anytime and feels urgent because of that. And finally, take all of those things together and build a matrix for your scan. Scan is a methodology developed by Tom Graves, and it really allows you to look at all those future dynamics and put them into a matrix of things that are simple and straightforward. They're now already happening. They're certain. You know how to do them. To things that are more complicated, right? Because in the future they might be coming up and you have to maybe create new processes or develop some new algorithms to solve them and address them, but they're controllable. To then, and of course, on the other side, the more uncertain areas, right? What is ambiguous? Where do you not exactly know what's going to happen in the future yet? And where, while you still don't know what's happening, those things are still actionable and things that you can prepare for. So what are some of those things that are out there that you kind of think might happen, but you're not sure yet? And finally, go to the things that you have no idea of at all, right? What are some of the things that you really don't know much about, but they could potentially impact you and are therefore important for your team? What are some of the things you need to really find out? Once you've completed that and added all the things that you and your team can think of, then of course look at those together and really think about where you can place some of those things. Maybe some of those not knowns, you actually have a little bit of information in the team and they can become more ambiguous, right? Or maybe some of the ambiguous things, somebody in the team already has information that allows you to make them only complicated and therefore controllable. So this is really the first step. And what you want to do with this in all that is then identify what are some of the problems that you see out there that you want to solve. What's really the reason for you and your team to do what they're doing, right? What's the purpose that you ultimately are here for?